Hi lovelies, welcome back to my channel. When I think about summer, I think about lemonade. In today's video, I'll be showing you 5 simple lemonade recipes that you can make at home. So sit back and enjoy. For my very first recipe today, I'll be making the simple lemonade recipe. So for this, I'll be making my simple syrup first. I'm using organic honey. You can use sugar if that's what you want. I'm opting for the healthier version. So for this, I'll be scooping about 2 to 3 tablespoons of my honey. I'll add some warm water, about half a cup of warm water. Give this a good mix and set it aside to cool, as I'll be using it for my other recipes later on in the video. And for my lemons, I'll be juicing fresh lemons using this lemon juice I got from Amazon. It's super amazing. It's easy. It gets the job done. So get one if you want to make some lemonade at home. Extract all the juice from your lemon and set it aside as you use it for the rest of the video as well. So go ahead now, add in your lemon juice, your simple syrup, and some water, and there you have it. Simple and easy. You have your simple lemonade recipe. Enjoy over some ice. It is amazing. Try this and thank me later. And for my second recipe, it's one of my absolute favorite, my strawberry lemonade recipe. For this, I'll be using some fresh strawberries. Transfer this into your blender, add some water and blend it until it's smooth. Go ahead now and pass this into a sieve so you take out all the extra tiny bits that you can find in strawberries. I don't like them in my lemonade. Transfer your strawberry juice into your pitcher. Add in your simple syrup, your lemon juice. Add in about 2 to 3 cups of water, and always increase the sweetness if your lemons are too sour, and add in water if it's too tangy for your taste. Give this a good mix, serve over some ice, and enjoy. This tastes so refreshing. It's amazing. It's just what you need on hot summer days to sip outside in the garden with your loved ones. And on to my next recipe, I'll be making my yummy peach lemonade recipe. For this, I'll be using some ripe peaches. Wash and cut up your peaches, transfer them into a blender, add in some water and bring it to a blend until you're left with that fine peachy puree. I won't be passing this one into a sieve as I like the texture of it. Transfer this into your pitcher, add in your simple syrup, add in your lemon juice, and top this up with about 2 cups of water. Give it a good mix and serve over some ice. The peachy and the tangy nature of the lemons combined together makes this absolutely delicious and refreshing. Hope you do try this at home. And for my next recipe, I'll be making my simple green grapes and mint lemonade recipe. For this, I'll be using green grapes and some mint leaves. Transfer everything into your blender as well. Add in a bit of water and bring it to a blend. Go ahead now and pass all your blended puree into a sieve to extract all the pulp left in it. Combine everything into your pitcher, add in your blended juice, add in your simple syrup and your lemon juice. Add in about 4 cups of water and give this a good mix. Serve this goodness over some ice and enjoy. This lemonade recipe is so refreshing. It tastes amazing. The mint paired with the grapes, it does wonders. Hope you do try this at home. And for my last recipe today, I'll be making my simple pineapple lemonade. I'll be using freshly chopped pineapples. Put this into your blender and add in some water as well and give it a good blend. Blend until you have a smooth and fine consistency. Transfer your pineapple puree into your pitcher. Add in your simple syrup and your lemon juice. Add about 3 cups of water and give it a good mix. This mixture is kind of thick. I don't like it this way, so I'm going to pass this through my sieve to extract all the pulp and be left with a fine and smooth lemonade consistency. This is optional. This is my personal preference. Always increase your sweetness based on your taste buds and increase water if you feel like it's too tangy for you. Serve this over some ice and enjoy. It's so hydrating, it's yummy, and it's delicious. Thank you so much for watching this video. Thank you for coming to my channel. Please don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button if you haven't done so. Turn on your notification bell so you know when I do post new content. Until next time, stay healthy, guys. Bye.